Hello everybody, in this video I would like to show you a quick tutorial on how you can become a member at ROI Forecast and you get access to our trade recommendations, weekly market reports, market overview, and Monday to Thursday daily live sessions. We still have some spots available for the 2-week trial. So what you have to do is come down on one of our videos in the description and you need to find the link that says become a member and then click here. Then you will be redirected to our ROI Forecast BMC page. You will need to go on membership. Okay. You scroll down, as you can see, we are still giving access to our premium plan with a 2-week trial for only €1. Okay, this is not going to last forever. So what you can do, you can take advantage of that, and as you can see, this is what we are providing. All you have to do is click on join. If you don't have a BMC account, you can create one. And then once you become a member, okay, I personally post when I want to post something for members on the post section. If I go here, I can quickly show you. Right here, you can see we have members only posts. Where I share, let's say, our weekly market overview video. I share the daily live session registration links, which I conduct through GoToWebinar, okay, Monday to Thursday at 5 p.m. GMT. And also for our weekend's market report, I upload it on the shop here. Once you become a member, this is free, of course. So this is how you can claim the weekly market report, which usually it's actually updated every Saturday, including the weekend's market overview, which is only for the members. This has nothing to do with the weekly Forex forecast video that we post for free on Sundays on YouTube. This is only for members, which we go in depth on the market and we provide the next possible bigger move of the market, and including 1 to 4 trade setups per month, which they give you usually anything above 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. And the main benefit you are receiving is from the daily live sessions which we conduct, which I go in depth into how the market works and how we are trading. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Also, all the members, when I post something new, they receive also an email notification from us. Okay, so this is how you always stay updated into anything new that I may post. Okay. And hopefully this video was informative. If you have any questions, make sure to get in touch with us at support@roiforecast.com, and I'll see you in the next video.